the time folks in Macon woke up to some snow, all part of a superstorm that happened in 1993, also called the storm of the century. Our meteorologist Ryan Miranda reminisces on the time Macon woke up to a little bit of snow.
One of the most intense winter storms ever observed struck the East Coast, stretching from Alabama to Maine, March of 1993. Middle Georgia picked up anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of snow. It remains one of the snowiest days on record. Listen to what some of the people back then thought of the storm.
Unbearable. You couldn't see more than 5 feet in front of you, and there was cars everywhere.
This was a powerful storm. This superstorm was one of the most costly and deadly storms of the 20th century. It wasn't all snow, however. 11 tornadoes were confirmed across the state of Florida by the National Weather Service, and according to a report from the National Climatic Data Center, 270 people were killed, 15 in Georgia. Check out this newspaper article released at the time from Star News saying, winds consistently reaching 70 miles per hour Saturday and gusts approaching 100. Hurricane levels start at 74. Sent structures and trees flying, blocking many streets in almost every major roadway. And this storm was like a pseudo-hurricane as it moved up the East Coast. It started in the Gulf of Mexico and rapidly intensifying, moving up the coast, dumping up to 60 inches of snow in some localized areas. Throughout the event, up to 3 million people lost power. Travel was taken out too, according to this Morning Star newspaper article from Tuesday, March 16, 1993. More than 1,500 travelers were stranded along Interstate 77 in Southwest Virginia, but about half were able to leave Monday when northbound lanes reopened. Although it wasn't just in Virginia. Here in Georgia, all interstates north of Atlanta were closed due to heavy snow and impossible travel. When the clouds, snow, and winds cleared, a hefty bill remained, costing over $2 billion across 22 states. I'm Ryan Miranda reporting, WGXA News.
Yeah, we're not going to wake up to any snow, but we're